Let's bring in Lee Munson, Portfolio Wealth Advisors co-founder and chief investment officer. Lee, great to have you here. Okay, a lousy GDP, but the markets continue to do their stuff. Why the disconnect?
You know, well, first of all, there's not a single, anybody who looks at charts or technical analysis, there's not a single bad signal out there. We still have that confidence, but most importantly, we're all waiting around for our tax cut. So as long as we think that we're going to get it before the end of the year and it gets grandfathered in, this thing's ready to rock.
So with the markets at these levels, Lee, where would you like to put your money? It seems like it's all going into those tech giants at the moment, doesn't it not?
Yeah, well, take a look at a few other things that might relate to those tech giants, but, you know, you get a little bit more diversification. Take a look at DLR, Digital Realty. They're a REIT, but instead of offering office space to people, they offer IT backbone. So if you look at Amazon, their earnings, Amazon Web Services, that's a huge growth industry. People need to know the cloud computing, there's not an actual physical cloud, actually. There's these big buildings with a bunch of servers, and DLR provides plug and play so you can rent that. Second one is Illinois Toolwork. I think they should change their name to Advanced Silicon Valley Advanced Manufacturing Smarty Pants. But these guys, you know, it's been on fire for a year. It's welding machinery or welding equipment, but remember, they really own thousands of patents on advanced manufacturing. So unless you know something I don't, Tesla doesn't glue their cars together. They use advanced welding machinery, and that's what Illinois Toolworks does. And then the last thing I think you really need to look at is, let's look at some of the political stuff. General Electric, S&P up 6% this year, GE down 6%, that's 12% behind. A lot of people are concerned about this company because if they pay so little in tax, they're concerned that Trump might, by lowering the tax rate and say 15% really means 15, GE could be paying more. GE has never let a president made them pay too much in tax. I think this is your chance to get a blue chip. 12% off.
Very good, Lee Munson. Got a lot in a short amount of time. Thank you very much. They're all applauding. It's Friday down on the markets. The Dow moving lower, but can we stay positive on the NASDAQ for another record high? The closing bell coming up. David Asman.